Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Spanish with Rossel. So, for me, it's a pleasure having you here and teaching you the 10 Spanish greetings that every beginner must know. So, let's start with the number one. The number one is very typical in my country, in Dominican Republic. Also, you can hear that in Latin America a lot, in Mexico, Guatemala. In all the countries for Latin America, you're going to hear this a lot. So, we always say hola to anyone, to everyone. It doesn't matter that we don't know you, we're going to use hola because that's the way to say hi or hello, okay? So, but we don't say hola, we say hola because in Spanish the H is in silent, it doesn't exist. When you see the H in every word in Spanish, it doesn't exist. That's why we say hola, okay? We don't say hola because in English we say hello or hi, but in Spanish we say hola because the H doesn't exist. It's in silent, okay? Perfect. Let's go with the second one, with the number two. Buenos dias. That means good morning. So the emphasis, I mean the strong pronunciation here is in dias, okay? Once you see this accent here, these little signs that you can see here in the eye, we do the power here dias. That's why we say buenos dias, okay? That's mean good morning. Perfect. Okay, let's go with the third one. Buenas tardes. That's good afternoon. Okay, no accent here. That's why it's go like that. Buenas tardes. All the time in Spanish we pronounce the words relax, like going slow. We only do the strong things when we see the accent here. When we see these signs, that's why we do the strong pronunciation, okay? Perfect. Let's go with the number four. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. That means good evening, good night. In Spanish, we don't have a word to say good evening. Uh, we always say buenas noches to everything. For example, if you're going to bed and you see your mom, you can say buenas noches, mamá. That means good night, mom. Or also, if you are arriving to a place, I mean, if you are arriving to your house at night and you see your family, you can say buenas noches. That means good evening because you are greeting the family. So, buenas noches we use for both good evening and good night. Okay, let's go with the number five. ¿Cómo estás? Everyone is going to ask you this in every Latin country that you go, or when you are practicing Spanish with someone, they're going to say, "Hey, ¿cómo estás?" That means how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Okay, we got the emphasis here. ¿Cómo estás? Okay, perfect. So, ¿qué tal? So, also we use this a lot. That's a way to ask, yes, how's it going? ¿Qué tal? Everyone asks, use this a lot also, ¿qué tal? So, ¿cómo te va? So, that's another way to say how's it going, how things going, you know, or how's everything, ¿cómo te va? Okay, so let's go with with the number eight. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Also, you can hear instead of mucho gusto, es un placer. Es un placer. That means the same. Mucho gusto. Es un placer. So let me switch this to English because, okay, you can hear that a lot. Es un placer. That means the same. Nice to meet you. Or mucho gusto. Okay. Perfect. Let's go with the number nine. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? That's the question to ask for somebody's name. So, ¿cómo te llamas? Also, you can hear ¿cuál es tu nombre? That means the same thing, okay? We have to wait to ask what's your name in Spanish, cuál es tu nombre, also you can hear that a lot. So, cuál es tu nombre, what's your name, that's the same thing, cómo te llamas, okay, cuál es tu nombre, perfect, okay, let's go with the last one. Nos vemos, for example, to say see you later, also to say see you soon. Nos vemos, that's for example, if I'm having a conversation with you and I'm on a train and I have to go, I can say nos vemos. That's a way to say see you soon, see you later, okay? And beautiful people, don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order for you to improve your Spanish and to learn Spanish like a native speaker. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you in our next video.